Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Mushur Rahman. Today I am going to present a paper in this international symposium. The paper title is The Effect of Corporate Governance on Corporate Social Responsibility and Firm Financial Distress, Evidence from Emerging Economy. Abstract. The purpose of this research is to investigate the impact of corporate social responsibility on the risks of financial distress for a sample of 330 farm-year observations from listed banking companies on the Dhaka Stock Exchange during the period of 2009 to 2019. This study also used generalized method of moments method to quantify the collected data. The results indicated that there is a significant negative relationship between corporate social responsibility reporting and firm financial distress. Moreover, the study also found that corporate governance minimizes or reinforces this negative relationship, indicating that good corporate governance practices encourage CSR that is also beneficial for firms, as reflected in a reduced likelihood of financial distress. Introduction. Now we are going to define corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility incorporates customer interactions, human resource rights, policies development, ecological approachable events, and numerous charitable undertakings. However, firms in financial difficulties face higher borrowing cost and lower market demand due to moving key suppliers, staff, and customers. When a company fails to satisfy its debt commitments, then it is fall in financial distress. According to the previous studies, a more significant focus on CSR improves credit scores and has a favorable impact in the event of insolvency. So this motivates to find out the true relationship of corporate social responsibility reporting and firm financial distress in the Bangladeshi point of view. To fill this research gap, we investigate the impact of CSR and the risks of financial difficulty. We also introduce a moderating variable to find out the clear path or clear direction in this association in the context of Bangladeshi banking sector. Research gap and theoretical framework. This article added a significant knowledge in a variety of ways. To our knowledge, this is first studies to look at the link between CSR and firm financial distress in the Bangladeshi banking sector. And also it introduced first time corporate governance as a moderating variable in this conclusive association. In case of theoretical framework, we see that corporate social responsibility is an independent variable and firm financial distress is a dependent variable and corporate governance is a moderating variable. Literature review and hypothesis. This study has many important research variables. The first one is corporate social responsibilities, second one is firm financial distress, and third one is corporate governance. This study used two theories, trade-off theory and stakeholders theory. On the basis of prior research and theoretical point of view, this study developed two hypotheses. First hypothesis had two segments. Hypothesis 1A, there is a positive relationship between CSR and firm financial distress based on a stakeholder point of view. Hypothesis 1B, there is a negative relationship between CSR and firm financial distress based on stakeholder expense point of view. Hypothesis 2, corporate governance strengthens the relationship between CSR and firm financial distress. Methodology. This sample consists of 30 commercial bank and nationalized bank scheduled in the DSC of Bangladesh over the period of 2009 to 2019. Total farm year observation is 330. Measurement of independent variable, that is CSR index. We develop a CSR index based on GRI guideline and prior research. Moreover, we developed also a corporate governance index based on 25 items based on prior research. Measurement of dependent variable, that is financial distress. Here the Alton JAD score is used as a measure of financial distress. We developed two empirical models. First model shows the relationship between CSR and firm financial distress, and second model shows the interaction of corporate governance and corporate social responsibility to the firm financial distress. The results. This study used GMM estimation. In the GMM estimation, the model 1 shows there is a significant negative relationship between CSR and farm financial distress. And model 2 ensured that this relationship strengthened by using corporate governance as a moderating variable. Here all control variables are significant from 1% to 5% level. We used GMM instead of OLS because our data has heterogeneity and serial autocorrelation issues. Where heterogeneity and serial autocorrelation issues exist in the dataset, then GMM shows better result in comparison to the OLS. Discussion. The results of the study confirms that shareholders view perspective hypothesis 1b is related to the association between CSR reporting and farm financial distress based on the measure of Z-score for Bangladeshi banking sector. The study finds a significant positive association between CSR and farm financial distress that indicates that by implementing effective corporate social responsibility rules, organizations that enhance their corporate social responsibility practices can lower risks. Also, good corporate governance structure strengthen this relationship. This study also used numerous sensitivity tests and robustness tests to generalize the result of the GMM estimation. Here we use 2SLS estimation to identify the same direction of the result of the GMM. Here 2SS results are similar to the GMM estimation. Here model 1 shows significant negative relationship and model 2 also shows corporate governance extend than this negative relationship and other control variable are significant at 1 to 5% level. Research implication. There are lots of managerial and policy implications in this research. This study demonstrates that in addition to the community benefit, corporation with a sentiment of social responsibility profit economically because corporate social responsibility helps them to alleviate financial suffering by lowering the cost of equity, debt charges, and financial restraints. Moreover, this investigation yielded a number of practical outcomes. Policymakers are advised to encourage corporations to adopt social responsibility behavior since it is connected with lower risks and defaults, resulting in an improved corporate investment environment, fewer financial bankruptcies, and more robust economic and environment overall. This study has a numerous contribution in the current literature. To the best of the author knowledge, there is a shortage of research that examine the connection between CSR and farm financial investment with a corporate governance as a moderator. Moreover, the empirical relationship among CSR, financial distress, and corporate governance jointly because previous literature has looked at pair-wise relation. So these two are the theoretical contribution. In case of mathematical contribution, this study developed two indexes. One is CSR index and other is corporate governance index based on prior research and GRI guideline. This study also have a lots of practical implication and policy implication that also discussed in prior slides. Although this research also have some limitation and also that is helps for suggestion in the future research. This study used content analysis. Maybe in future this research we can use other analysis to find out the magnitude of the CSR disclosure. This also study used the measurement of Z-score only for farm financial distress. In future, the other research may use the other measure of farm financial distress. This study is limited for the Bangladeshi context and banking sector. May be used or extended this research from the other sector and multi-country perspective. CSR using binary measure. Maybe in future we can use non-binary measure to quantify CSR disclosure. This is the references and this is the developed CSR index and CG indexed. Thank you very much.